Hello everyone, this is Adnan again with CanApps training videos. We are continuing SCCM installation. This is part 2 of the installation video. So in this video we're continuing installation and the lab architecture. So in the previous video what we did, we installed all of the servers, and then we installed Active Directory. We joined all the machines here. Now we're ready to run the prerequisites. Now for prerequisites, there are many ways to install prerequisites. You need to do, so what are the prerequisites? We're talking about these prerequisites that we talked about in the last video. We can do all these manually, so worst to worst, we can do them manually. What I'm trying here is I'll be running a script that I found over the internet. Many people are recommending to run the script, although I did all of my installation manually before, because we need to go careful on this. But here, let's try the script. If this doesn't work, so that is the script that I'm talking about is the script here. So this is the script. This person made this script, configuration prerequisite tool. It should be able to install everything. We'll try it. If it works, it's fine. We do have a snapshot. We can always revert back if it doesn't work. So this is what we need to do. So in the previous video, what we did, we downloaded that script on our second server, and this is where the script is. All we need to do in order to run this, we need to open a PowerShell, and in PowerShell we need to run few commands. So this is a PS script. So all we need to do is to run, for the script we need to run the following. We need to run this command, which is ExecutionPolicy RemoteSigned, meaning we are kind of enabling running script in this environment. So first, and let's jump to this. So I just copied this line. You can Google it, find it, or maybe you just type it. So here I'm gonna open PowerShell. Make sure it is opened administratively. And okay, so before I run this, make sure you have internet on this machine, because this script is going to download few things over the internet. So let's enable internet. For now, there is no internet on this. Or maybe we can check if internet is here. How do you check? I'll just open a simple Internet Explorer and see that if it is able to connect to Microsoft website. Because I have a network in VMware, it should be able to connect. But if it doesn't, then what we can do, we can add another card as a bridged card. So I think it is trying to connect. It's not able to. At the same time, while it's not able to connect, okay, it's fine. So we'll add a second network card. So now I'll go here, just right click on the VM name here, or you can just double click on this here as well. So here, add another network card. So let's add another network card. It is make sure it is bridged, so it will be bridged to your physical card, and it is connected. So done. Give it a few moments, so it will be installed, configured. Sometimes the bridged network doesn't even work. So in that case, you might need to add 2 more bridged network cards, because one doesn't work, second one might work. So now, as you can see, we added the network card, and you can see the light is blinking. So this is being used for the internet. So now we know card is working. In some cases where the bridge network card is not working, it is due to a reason because sometimes your VMware network here, virtual network, stops working. In that case, if you added a bridged card and it's not working, all you need to do is restore defaults. So this is grayed out. It's grayed out because I don't have permissions. In order to get permission, we can go here, change it, it opens again, and now you should be able to restore. The only small thing here is it's saying in order to restore your network, shut down all these machines. For now, I don't need to do it because in my case, internet is working. If in your case it's not working, even after adding bridge network, I would say go restore default. It won't disturb your environment, it's like just restarting switches. So my internet is working, and now I'll start running the script. So again, one more time, this is the script we downloaded in the first video. You can refer to first video where we downloaded, and now we're going to run it. This script is present in this path here. So before running any script in PowerShell, we need to run this small command, and that command is Set-ExecutionPolicy RemoteSigned. It's saying yes. It's saying confirm. So we are going to confirm it. It is done. I'm going to CLS clear screen so that you can see what command I'm running. Now the script is present in this folder. I'm gonna come here and copy this folder. I need to go into this location in this PS. So if it is fast, you can just pause, and go. All I need to do is to change this folder. Currently this is running on C user administrator. I need to go into C SCCM stuff. So two ways. You can take this script to this location, or you can change directory to this location. So I'm going to change directory to this location. So just write CD and then press space and just right click. So in order to paste anything here, just right click. You don't need to wait for right click and paste. So first I copied it from here, and then here I just right click, and then here you would say enter. Actually, so in this case it's not going there. Why is it not going there? Is it not a location? Okay, actually, you know, the location is, I think this. Let's make sure one more time. So location is, no, location is this location. So it should be able to go here. Why is it not going here? It's saying parameter was not found. One more time. Let's go without this. It won't go. Okay, so now I have to go manually. I can go manually. How? I can say CD /, which takes me back to the root instead of all this. Then I can say SCCM stuff directory, and then I'm gonna say so here it was installed, so I'm gonna say change directory to install. So now I'm in this folder, and here I need to write this file name. Now here, just to make it easy, I ran this command first, then I tried this, but it didn't work, so I went there manually. First I went into that folder, but this command is showing you that I copied the file in this administration folder. I suggest you follow exactly what I'm doing in the video. So here I'm copying this. Basically this is the file, and I just added dot and slash. So here I'm just gonna say, because I need this file name, I need to run this. Right, what I can do is I can select copy, and then here right click here. It's not copying that file name. Let me bring it from my slide here. Either you type it. So either you type it. Oh, sorry, not just right click. Okay, it's not copying it. I'm gonna close this again, open it again one more time, and I have to rerun the execute script. So right click, copy. Okay, now because sometimes it happens, sometimes it would just stop copying. I'll have to restart this machine, or I need to start typing manually. So okay, so let me type it. So here all I need to say is set execution policy, press tab, and then remote signed tab, enter, yes. and here I can say, now this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the file in this folder, so C user administrator, so that I don't have to change directory there. So here my file is actually sitting here. I'm gonna copy this. If you're not here, you can go to computer. Based on our last video, we copied the file here. Now copy this script, and then from here just go back to computer, C drive, users, here administrator, and just copy it here. So you copied it here, and all you need to do is just copy this and paste and enter. Oh, sorry, we forgot to add /. So / means just to run it here. So now it is running. So now when the script runs, it's the very first thing it says that this server needs a reboot for some reason. Reboot is pending, so restart the system. So we'll just restart and we'll have to redo this again. So restart it. Actually, you move mouse all the way to this side. For a second, settings, restart. So it's saying the reboot was required on this machine. Let's reboot. Once it comes back, I'll start the video recording. Okay, the reboot is done. Now by running this script, I'm hoping that I don't have to do the manual step by step. Let's see what happens. So here I need to open this again one more time. I would say Set-Exe tab, and then remote tab, execution. So I'm pressing tab. Once you press tab here, it should automatically populate this. So now I have the file here. How to know? dir. It shows me this file here. All I can do, I can select this, right click, and then right click here, copied it, and at the beginning I just need to add this. So now we're in good shape. So here it says that no reboot is required, everything is ready. Now we need to make a primary site. So I need prerequisites for this. I don't need a prerequisites for this or this. I need a prerequisite because this will be my primary site server. So click on installation button, required Windows feature. Additionally, you can choose to add download accident. So here I'm going to say add download prerequisites as well. Now for that I made sure that internet was working before running the script. Let me just go back, check internet again one more time. So internet is working. Let's start. Okay, so it is installing .NET framework. Let's see. Now in SCCM, I know that these prerequisites takes a lot of time, and if this script is successfully able to install these prerequisites, guys, this will be very helpful. But this script is being recommended by many people, and also this script is posted on Microsoft website, so seems a legit script. So it is installing role. It's gonna go step by step. Also make sure that you're logged in with an account that has domain admin rights, because I think it might be updating the schema. For that you're gonna need special rights. So let's see. So while this is going on, let's keep an eye on this on this side. I don't want to pause the video just to show you that what's happening exactly. And this other window will open this, will read few things about this script. So here, while this is going on, so this is basically the script, and as you can see, this has been downloaded 20,000 times. So definitely it has it must be good while it is downloaded 20,000 times. Now in this, so I just changed the description to Q&A. Here some people are asking some questions. Oh, so this person is saying within the script there is something called this domain admin is written in differently, so we need to change this. Just translate the group name from, oh no, so domain, for us it is written domain admin. I think this guy is a French guy and needed to be written in French, so for French version of Windows. Let's see how it goes. Overall we need to, if this is all done properly, then we don't need to go through this step by step. So basically it should be doing at the moment, it is for now, as we can see, it should be doing .NET Framework 3.5, and it's saying then it should be doing making a system container, delegating permissions, extended schema. It should be downloading ADK, installing them. But now it's taking just some time, making me a bit nervous. So let's see. I can't change it. I can move it. Let's see on the task menu what's happening. Go to details, performance. Yes, it is doing something. In processes, so Windows installer, oh, okay, so it is working. It is modules installation. This is the script running. So script host. So it is making some changes to Windows. Script host is running. Overall progress seems something is happening. So something is cooking. So leave it as is. Keep observing. Maybe I can just have a peek on my roles. So features, actually. Let's see. Features. It is not installed yet, but I think must be doing something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video anyways. If an error comes or if it finishes, then I'm gonna start recording again. So let's pause the video for a few minutes. Progress. So it did install 3.5. It's now installing bit. Very good. So it is going on. Let's should we check? Let's go here. Oh no, I shouldn't. Because it is doing with something with the roles. I shouldn't make any changes here. Let's close this. So let's keep this going. So now it is fast now. So it has installed remote differential compression, and it is installing other stuff. Okay, so it skipped the IAS role, but I think it is adding all of the stuff that is additionally required from IAS, because these are those features from within IAS. Pretty good. Now once this is all installed and it's it's restarted. After that, we're gonna have the third video for SQL installation, and I think within the fourth video we'll be able to start the SCCM installation. SQL itself takes a long time as well. So as you can see at the moment, CPU is 100% busy. Wow. So which means lots and lots of things happening on this machine. Guys, I would recommend this script. This script is really good. Although it's more than halfway through, so it shouldn't take much time. So I'm gonna pause this here. Okay, so about more than 60%, and it did a lot of things here. Let's keep it rolling. 80%, and it is installing WSUS. It did install everything from IAS that was required. So this is the easy part. So I would say that if you have never run a script in PowerShell before, then follow this here, this back window. And so here it's saying, browse for folder where the prerequisites will be. Okay, so it's saying which folder do you want prerequisites to be downloaded. We'll say on the same SCCM stuff that we made, and we'll select. So browse to the source. So it's saying that we need to browse it to the source folder of SCCM, which is bin64 folder. So on this, so first one was that folder where it will download, and here it's asking us, I think, to go to, no, oh actually it's a source file, so I think it should be, SMS setup. Is this SCCM CD? Oh no, this is not SCCM CD. So we need the SCCM CD in this. So let's first mount the SCCM CD. So I'm gonna mount the SCCM CD here, browse, and where is my SCCM CD? SCCM, this is the one, and I have, this is SCCM CD. So SCCM CD is mounted, and I think, so here, now let's go inside. Yes, now we can say SMS setup, and within this I need to go to bin, and I need to select this, and okay. So now it's downloading, and I think copying from the source folder as well, and then it's gonna run those. Excellent. So it's copying all these files here. Seven files. So let me pause this here. Still copying. 20 out of 56. Very quick. Let's wait, and I'm gonna start recording again. Guys, it seems like it is about to complete, so all files are being all features are being added. So now it's verifying that if all of the prerequisites are there. Now we need to remember that there are many prerequisites that was shown earlier in one of the slides. So those prerequisites should be there. But one thing that I'm not sure that was it able to do the schema extension and plus schema extension, and was it able to install the ADK. Now if it's not, then later on at some stage it will be asked to install them, so we can install them later as well. But so far it seems like there are all of the required roles and features are added by this tool. So indeed it's a great tool. I'm going to recommend this tool. Now let's just verify that if we can see the .NET and bits added. Okay. Oh, okay. So that's good. There we can see these. So it seems like it's added. Now later on, if any tool anything is missing, we can add that later as well. For now, this tool is great. If this works, it's fine. Otherwise, we can add them manually as well. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.